So I think this is one of the most, in-depth fiction courses that I have ever taken.
I've learned like basics of fiction writing.
Miss Kanza is, I think, she's like very brilliant. She has this, air of constructive criticism, which works very well.
It's really an opportunity to learn from her.
She's very honest, very straight. She doesn't hold back anything.
Something that I've learned from this course would be to never give up on writing, because that's what I did.
Like before this, I only knew that you just have to take out your pen and paper and write.
Sometimes we feel that we are a good writer. This is a very good scrutiny.
And also, I think it's a very fine balance between the technical side of it and the actual, literature side of it. So I think this is something that I've learned from this course.
And the one thing that I will always remember is that I have to show rather than tell in my writing.
I would definitely recommend this course to those people who are, premature writers who are just learning the craft.
Especially people who are into creative writing and who think that they can do. So they would definitely come and enjoy that. It's fun.